Hello, I'm Kim Bowman, and I'm an English as a second language teacher and tutor. Let's work on our English. This video corresponds to episode 1 of my podcast, English in America. The greeting, good morning, is used in 3 sample conversations in the podcast. So for more examples, please make sure you listen to that episode. Think about for a moment how you greet other people in the morning in your first language. Do you say buenos dias? Or do you say bonjour? Or do you say 早上好? In English, we say good morning, and we say it to each other from the morning hours until about 12 p.m. in the afternoon. Let's listen to 2 people greet each other first thing in the morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
I did, thank you. How about you?
I'm really tired this morning. I had trouble falling asleep last night.
Did you hear the greeting, good morning? Both roommates said it to each other. Let's listen one more time.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
I did, thank you. How about you?
I'm really tired this morning. I had trouble falling asleep last night.
Did you notice that one person sounds tired and the other person doesn't? Well, in English, we have a phrase or an idiom that we use to describe people who are upbeat, happy, and wide awake as soon as they get up in the morning. We call them a morning person. Morning person. Let's look at some other examples of what a morning person might look like. She's a morning person. So is he. And she is too. They're all happy, smiling, and in a good mood first thing in the morning. These are morning people too. They're wide awake and ready to start the day. These are not morning people. They look grouchy and tired. She's not a morning person. Neither is he. And neither is she. She looks unhappy, so she's not a morning person. And he looks angry, so he's not a morning person. And he looks sad, he's crying, so he's definitely not a morning person. So tomorrow when you wake up, whether you're a morning person or not, try greeting someone else with the English phrase, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
To hear more examples of how to use the phrase good morning, make sure and check out episode 1 of English in America. Helping you improve your English is my passion, and I love to hear from English learners all over the world. So please email me, kim@englishteacherandtutor.com. For more English tips, check out my social media posts on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.